All right, today the headers finally go on. They've been sitting around for about 3 months. I got my buddy Matt here helping me. He drove here in his stepdad's fucking sick Honda Civic. We're just doing oil right now because the air to oil separator was just installed and I want fresh oil running through it. So I got to take off the downpipe, which is right here. So a couple of bolts underneath there, a couple of bolts up there right on the turbo, and they're a real pain in the ass, especially now that I have the intercooler piping and the hoses going everywhere.
There we go.
Okay, so this came with an up pipe. I'm probably not going to put it on because I'm having an issue getting off the downpipe. There's a bolt in a little spot down there that is a real pain in the ass to get to, so I'm just going to leave it there. And if my new headers mount to the up pipe that I currently have, then I'll just leave it the way it is. It's already an aftermarket up pipe, so I'm going to try to cut these crappy heat shields off here because the bolts are so damn rusted that you can't even spin it. I'm going to see if I can get that done, and then I can try to pull those off and see if I can mount the header to the aftermarket up pipe that I already have. This shit has been absolutely ridiculous. These heat shields do not come off. My buddy and I had to tear this one off. I cut off some of this one with a saws with a grinder. Look at this fucking mess in here. This has been going on since Saturday afternoon and it is now Thursday morning. So that's how long I've been doing this. These heat shields were such a pain in the ass. I had to have somebody come help me grind them off. There's a little tiny bolt down on the downpipe that's way back under in there. If you could see the downpipe right here, and it goes up in there. And there's a little tiny bolt that's like, the way the flange is set up on the downpipe, there's like no room to get to it, so it was really difficult. So I had to have somebody come help me get it off. The heat shield right here on this end of the header up here, I had to have somebody help me get off. This one came off fairly easy. I shouldn't say it was easy, but it wasn't terrible. So now I'm going to start disassembling the header from the up pipe and the down pipe to the catback exhaust I have to take off as well. 4 days later, look at all the heat shield on this garbage. Look how ugly it is. Okay, this is now day 7. This car is literally almost done. I'm going to be finished with it tonight. No doubt in my mind. Okay, the new header is on. The up pipe is on. All I gotta do is make sure everything is tight, and then I just gotta throw in the 2 new sensors for the downpipe and the up pipe, and then I'm gonna put on the skid plate, so it shouldn't be that long. Okay, she's finally finished. Just gonna clean up some of the shit around here, and then I'll start it up. I did ceramic coat the headers in another video. Because they're ceramic coated, I have to let them bake, so I'm gonna start the car, let it idle for 10 minutes, so that the coating bakes onto the header and the up pipe. And then tomorrow, I'm going to start it up again while it's actually cold again and let it idle for 15 minutes to ensure that it's properly baked onto the surface.